All right, we're at the beach, and I couldn't leave without taking a couple casts. We just had a little surf session, and then we ran into our friend Cookie. Cookie likes surf perch fishing. So normally I go way down there towards the river mouth, but my girlfriend wants to go get lunch. So I think we're just gonna try right out here. See if there's any fish lurking. I got a pretty goofy setup. Just these random hooks. Got like one circle hook up top, and then, I don't know, you know, tiny little guy on the bottom anyway. And just some gulp sandworms, the standard bait. That wasn't a very good cast. Hits. There we go. That didn't take too long. Got ourselves a little perch. Hey, Cookie, leave it. No. Cookie, leave it. Yeah, I thought I saw some perch when I was surfing, and I did. It's like a little shiner perch. Cookie, go on. She's dangerous. But yeah, I got him on the circle hook. Cool little fish. Just in the lip. Hey, Cookie! Cookie! Jeez! Not my dog. My new friend here kind of sucks at fishing, but she sure is cute. Yeah, it's funny, the last wave I caught in, I totally spooked a school of perch. They're just sitting right out here. Well, that was cool, got one on the first cast. But what a nice day. Well, they're whacking it. Oh yeah. That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah. Cookie. Got some good head shakes on it. What do we got? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that one. Look at that one. Oh! Look at that fish. Right out front here, right in front of camp. That thing is sweet. I'll bonk him and bleed him here, but that's a good one. That's dinner. Wintertime surf perch. On the board. Didn't take too long. 5-10 minutes. But yeah, my new friend here, it's kind of annoying. Yeah, I'm just chucking it out there. Seems like they're pretty close on the beach right now with the high tide. So I'm letting it sit, you know, for a minute or two, and then just reel it in slowly and then let it sit again. But yeah, it didn't take too long to find them today. That's good. Waiting for that bite, but what a nice day out here, you know? Can you believe it? Yeah, it's supposed to snow in a few days and just be storming, so had to come out to the beach today. Soak up some sunshine. Oh, oh, get some wax. Ah, missed him. Sorry, Cookie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels like an okay one. Not quite. Not gonna be a jumbo, I don't think. Hey, Cookie! Cookie! Hey, hey, hey! A little shiner perch. We'll let this guy go. But yeah, the circle hook is working. Cookie, you're sketchy. Let there. See if I can release this without Cookie Monster getting it. No, I think it made it away clean. You were just a sketchy one. You're gonna get hooked, Cookie. We don't want to catch a cookie. Oh, wrong. Just reeling it in and it went slack. I just picked it up. What a nice thing. Oh, it's a good one. Leave it. Leave it. Hey. Yeah. Take that one. Not a bad fish there. All on the circle hook. Man, that might be my new go-to. That's pretty sweet. Nice fish. Easy money. So yeah, I'll bonk them and bleed them and get them in the bucket. It's good to keep them out of the sand if you can. Yeah, dinner. Yeah, I've just been catching them on the circle hook. Check this thing out. Pretty tore up, but yeah, it's been working. Well, yeah, here's our two perch. Just gonna get them gutted and gilled and put them on ice, and we'll cook them up later. But that was pretty good for just a quick fish. We were just about to leave the beach, but yeah, the circle hook paid off. This thing, it was nailing them. You know, they were picking it up and they couldn't spit it out. That's the way to go. But yeah, I'm just gonna get them all cleaned up and put them on ice. All right, we got them all gutted and gilled out. That was a nice fish though. Pretty sweet. Gonna get them on ice and put them in the cooler. Make sure no birds come steal my fish. Yeah, I'll just dump the guts back in the ocean. Hopefully Cookie doesn't eat them. Good dog, Cookie. Leave it. I always say, wherever you go, leave it nicer than you found it. Pick up other people's trash and don't litter. I flayed up the fish the next day after letting it chill out on ice in the cooler and diced it up for some panko fried fish tacos. I also cut the tails off and made some crispy surf perch chips out of them, and they turned out excellent. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good one.